Welcome scalpers, Reece Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. We're going to look at the ultimate backdoor indicator. It's very simple, very effective. We had some nice moves already on the 1 minute NQ. Let's see if we can find some more. I've not taken any trades yet today. Here's our new entry point.
Order
Here's
filled.
a backdoor arrow. Get my stop in. 1 minute NQ moves very fast, so I trail
Stop filled.
closely and grab a quick $272 on this little move right here, and it's bouncing off the blue line, so I'm getting out because it acts as a resistance or support. Now if it's going to continue higher, I can take the breakout of the
Order
actual
submitted.
signal candle, which will be on the other side of the blue line, so I don't have a problem with that going away from it, going up.
Order
So we
filled.
had this nice trade here, and then we have a signal candle breakout, which could be another good entry point. See, once it starts to go like that, then I put my stop in,
Stop filled.
and I get stopped out a lot, so what? I don't know how high it's going to go up. It could be bouncing off this blue line here to come back down. Because, all right, here's the
Order
back door.
filled.
It hit the order, bounced back. I got in, got filled. It is on the upper side of the blue line. It may bounce off of this, so I'm going to be really tight with my stop here.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
going to get in again. All right, now trailing. First time stopped out, second time
Stop filled.
I'm still stopped out, but I still made a profit there.
Target.
All right, I took a trade on this chart as well, so that's a different account. Okay, so now I'm up 700 on that one and 500 on a different account. Taking the same trades just on a different chart. That turned out to be a really nice move. Back down. We had the backdoor arrow, backdoor horizontal line. So the backdoor is working pretty great for us today. Super simple system. And we have another possible entry up here.
Order submitted.
And I'll just lay my order on top of it. It may not get filled, so what? There's always going to be another entry, another signal. And we've been trading for just a few minutes here today. Okay, we have a signal and it pulled back. I like to let the signal happen and then have it pull back. And then if it happens again, it's more likely that it will go. We have a pretty steep down move. Let's see if it comes back and gets
Order
filled again
filled.
on this signal. All right, dropping my stop, trailing it. It may bounce off the blue line here, so I'll tighten it up. I don't know how high it's going to go, but I want to lock in what I can.
Stop filled.
And I'm stopped out. That's fine. Get in again if you want to. I think that the line will become a resistance for price, so it may come back down, and I'll get as much as I can get out of it. Great trade again. So now I'm up almost 900 on that account. See see how it bounced? Now it's coming back down. Okay, we did capture this, and then we had this just happen as I was answering a phone call. I did not get in on this, but this was a nice sell move before it shot back up. So this was good. This was a good trade here. It didn't take. I can't catch them all. This is the 1 minute NQ, and their signals happening left and right. But yeah, very nice trade here too. Right here we have a possible entry. I'm a bit close to the blue line there.
Order
If I
submitted.
do take it, it would have to be just for a little scalp here because I don't like going right into the blue line as it acts as a support and resistance. So it's also making a nice pattern here. A really nice trend line that it most likely will break and continue lower. So I might just hold off on taking a trade right now. All right, here's the new entry. And if it bounced off this line, it may go back up here to continue that triangle shape. Again, it would just be a small scalp for me. I'd be in and out quickly
Order filled. Stop filled.
like that. Just to just to get something out of this trade. I mean, it's a little close to here. You can see the triangle that it's forming right now. But a good move. Yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to get back in again. We are almost at 1,000. Yep, could have taken it again, but I'm just being conservative. Now see how it did make that move? It bounced off the blue line and is coming right back down. That's why I trail up tightly as it approaches the blue line because this happened already twice. So let's look at that line I was talking about earlier. Perfect line here, perfect trend line that got broken and it really took off down after it did that.